Today, it is still common to see the information silos from disconnected quality systems as a top impediment for measuring and improving quality at an organization. Oracle Quality Management Cloud is a modern, closed-loop quality management solution that helps quality teams define, identify, analyze, and correct quality events to ensure high-quality products and services. It provides a unified platform embedded with the Oracle Supply Chain Management Cloud for enabling end-to-end quality visibility, collaboration, and execution. From the quality engineer's perspective, the embedded analytics on the Quality Management Cloud landing page direct you to quickly find inspection plans and investigate rejected inspections. Design for quality begins with the product definition, where you can define attributes and their specifications that serve as the basis for quality standards. By connecting a quality characteristic with the common product record, you avoid maintaining the specifications data in separate silos. To determine conformance to quality standards, you implement inspection plans to standardize and embed quality checks in key business flows, like receiving and work in progress, or for ad hoc data collection purposes. Integrated product and quality specifications also ensure compliance to the product design. Without proper oversight, the outcome of quality inspection could become disconnected from supply chain execution. In this solution, you perform mandatory inspection and enter quality results that are automatically evaluated against specifications, as identified by visual indicators and a scoreboard. In turn, the inspection results drive the accepted and rejected quantities for transaction completion, while retaining quality compliance and traceability. Inspection failures ultimately trigger immediate action by generating a non-conformance issue for further investigation. You can take the necessary steps to rework or quarantine the defective material before it becomes more costly to fix further downstream. From the quality analyst's perspective, you look at insight-driven analytics to identify critical quality events across your business and quickly navigate to take action. Let's focus on the idea of connected quality. You see the non-conformance created on the plant floor. Traceability is critical to the quality management process. Connecting the non-conformance directly to the work being performed at the time of the event allows for quick, accurate, and complete analysis. Adhering to a standardized process to define, identify, analyze, and correct quality issues requires a solution that connects the process. In order to safely and effectively resolve the quality issue, a corrective action is open to form a team, gather findings, and in the end, implement the proper solution. Connectivity includes connecting people to focus, work together, and create solutions. Through Oracle Social Network, teams naturally connect and work to achieve a common goal. As W. Edwards Deming pointed out, quality is everyone's responsibility. In the same spirit, quality processes cross perceived silos throughout the supply chain. In this example, the corrective action is resolved with the help of product development via a change order to the product. With Oracle Quality Management Cloud, you can design for quality, perform inspections, and manage quality issues in order to benefit new product launches, on-time deliveries, overall equipment effectiveness, and lower cost of quality.